welcome to my YouTube channel. And remember, be sure to subscribe, press that like button, and hit that notification bell. And today, we're going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro, 2020 MacBook Pro. Go guys, the MacBook Pro 2020. All right guys, let's see what's in the box. You have your MacBook Pro 2020 and your USB-C cable wires and MacBook Pro, and the Apple stickers. And I do recommend using the Apple stickers over the Apple symbol that's on the MacBook Pro, because you'll notice over time you get a lot of scratches on it. All right, definitely recommend using these guys. And then you have your 61-watt power adapter right here, and that's basically it for inside the box. All right guys, this MacBook Pro right here, it's the 13-inch Retina display and also 2.0 gigahertz core Intel i5 processor, 16 gig RAM memory, 512 gig of hard drive, and it comes with 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. The USB-C port, you plug that in, that's where you also charge it. And it's got a headphone jack, touch bar, full-size backlit Magic keyboard, FaceTime HD camera, and so on and so on. I'm excited to get going. Let's get going. All right guys, let's open this thing up. Two ports, headphone jack, front, the other side, just 2 ports. In the back, and that's it. Alright guys, I'm going to finish setting this up, enter in the passwords and this and that. When it gets to the main screen, then I come back, alright? Alright, be right back. Alright guys, we all booted up. And here you can see, let's test it out for a little bit. Safari, let's type in apple.com. Nice. MacBook Pro 13. All right, guys, we're gonna talk a little bit about this, the trackpad. All right, guys, the trackpad. One click. See how I highlight it? If you one click and press down, you could move it around like that. If you use 2 fingers, click, it'll bring up a menu. See your menu options? You just, like that, it brings up all your apps. All right, system preference, everything is here. Set up your email. All right, guys, we're gonna test out this crazy feature that it has, unlocking my Mac Pro with my Apple Watch. All right, I already set it up. It sent me a message. And we're gonna test it out right now, right? Here we go. Just gonna open it up. Boom, unlocked already. And on my watch, gave me a message. All right guys, I think that's a cool feature. Once again, hit that like button. All right guys, I'm gonna show you how the touch bar and the touch ID work, you know. Right now it's locked. So if you push on it, keep your finger there, unlocks that fast. Even before I finished saying it, it was unlocked. And right here, we have the touch bar. You have your volume control, also you have your brightness, volume, Siri. If you touch the volume, you could adjust your sound. And then Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather?
It's currently partly cloudy and 84 degrees.
All right. And that's basically it, guys. So far, everything is well, running great. And by the way, there's a student special going on right now. If you buy an iPad or Mac, you can get AirPod for free. Or you can upgrade to a AirPod Pro for $90, which is what I did. Upgraded to AirPod Pro for $90. All right, guys? There they are. These are great. All right, guys? Thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. All right? Thank you. See ya!